miVac is a highly flexible range of concentrators and dryers for your laboratory, designed for biological sample preparation and preservation. The modular system can be configured to concentrate, dry or freeze-dry samples. The miVac DNA is an integrated concentrator designed to concentrate small volumes of water or simple organic solvents such as methanol. Simply load the system, select the temperature and hit start. The miVac DNA is supplied with a rotor that accepts 1.5 milliliter microcentrifuge tubes. If working with more samples, larger samples or complex concentration procedures, then the modular miVac range should be used. There are two models in the range, the miVac Duo concentrator and the larger Quattro concentrator. Each model has a range of rotors to accept tubes, vials and microtiter plates. The solid aluminium jet rotors enable energy to flow quickly into the samples, speeding up the process. miVac concentrators are vacuum concentrators. Samples boil under vacuum. The pressure in the system controls the boiling point and therefore the temperature of the sample. Samples often boil at less than 0 degrees centigrade. miVac has a range of vacuum pumps. For volatile organic solvents, the 10 millibar Duo pump is used. For higher boiling point solvents or samples containing water, then use the 2 millibar Quattro pump. For the most demanding applications where very low vacuum is needed, then use the scroll pump. To speed up concentration, the miVac SpeedTrap concentrates solvent vapors back to liquids, enabling their safe disposal. Without the SpeedTrap, vapors would have to pass through the vacuum pump, taking many hours. Solvent condenses on the cold coil in the SpeedTrap and falls down onto the vacuum-insulated collection pot. Emptying is easy. The SpeedTrap has two settings depending on what you're doing. Periodic defrost defrosts the condenser coil every hour and is ideal for water samples as this prevents a buildup of ice. Switch the SpeedTrap into continuous chill for optimum recovery of volatile solvents. When working with complex mixtures, the miVac pressure controller allows you to set the exact pressure in the system, enabling the fractional distillation of one sample component from another. Alternatively, use the automatic mode, which detects and follows the boiling point of the solvents. The miVac can also be used to freeze-dry samples using just the SpeedTrap and the pump. Switch the valve to isolate the cold trap from the concentrator. Connect the freeze-drying pot to the SpeedTrap. You can dry traditional freeze-dryer flasks or vials using the insulating vial racks. The SpeedTrap has an ice capacity of 250 milliliters. Start the pump and allow your samples to dry. miVac. Dry by design.